Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to get tone faucet. Simply we have to come in the tone documentation. Here we can find get testnet tone coin, and it's a telegram bot. We have to open a bot and it's the username test giver underscore tone underscore bot. We will start this bot. Okay, get to tone in testnet. Then we have to solve this. Okay, so right now we will copy our wallet address and provide to bot. We have to wait, or we can check our wallet here and make sure we are using testnet. We can also check on the tone viewer. Here we will paste our address. Okay, let me check again. Still nothing. We don't get any kind of fund right now. We have to wait. I think we have to wait, and when the amount added in our wallet. Okay, we can see here balance is coming. Okay, yes, we received the funds. Now we can test and use this tone on the tone network.